5 things that every student should do every day apart from studies. And I'm going to tell you about one special thing. If you do that, your life will be filled with happiness, positivity, and all the good things that you want in life. If you like this video, do share it with your friends, click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon. So let's get started. Number 1, enjoy nature. What? Am I a retired person or a poet that ma'am is telling me enjoy nature? No, you're not. But you, just like ma'am, are a human being who is lost in the world of machines and technology. Just 2 minutes out of 24 hours, and that too you don't have to take out 2 minutes specially. Maybe whenever you're traveling, you're going out, going to school, college, you're playing, walking, you're standing in the balcony. Instead of looking at the cars passing by, look at the bright orange sun, listen to the chirping of the birds, and enjoy the fragrance of the jasmine flowers. It will develop all your senses, would improve your observation power, creativity, and all these things will be very, very important in future. You know how the world is changing. Not only that, it will give you those special small moments of peace and happiness. Go for it, your life will change. Number 2, read. What, ma'am? In today's world of social media and so many channels that I have to watch, ma'am is telling me to read. Just for 10 minutes out of 24 hours. And if you like, you can increase the time later. Whatever you like. It can be your newspaper, the sports section, anything, mystery, comedy, romance, famous personalities, biography, whatever you want. Read for 10 minutes. It will develop your concentration, knowledge, vocab, language, creativity, your intellect. I can go on and on and on. Just 10 minutes. Give it a try. Write diary every day. You don't like writing? Fine. You don't have to write one whole page. Maybe half a page or 1/4. At least you can do that. But you know what? You would be reliving the happy moments. And if you had a tough time and you write about it, it will be like a catharsis for you where all your pent-up emotions would be released and you will feel much better. Not only that, you would learn to express yourself, and most of the students, many students can't do this now because of the way, you are taught. You get so many notes, guidebooks, reference books, you just do rote learning. But expressing yourself will be very, very important once you start working in whichever field you choose. So this diary will be your special notebook where you would be preserving all your memories, the ones that made you smile and the ones that made you strong. Nurture a hobby. Many of you give it up when you go to higher classes because you have so much to study, so you don't get time. But actually you need a hobby that will give you all the relaxation, would de-stress you, would make you happy. And it will develop so many skills which you actually don't think of. This hobby will be like your best friend who will never leave you, will be with you throughout your life and would only give you happiness. So never quit, never give up your hobby. You must do one physical activity for half an hour every day. Whatever you choose, not computer games, you play any other game, walk, swim, cycle, whatever you like. It will make you physically and mentally strong, will give you all the energy that you need to do all the other things that you do throughout the day. Now the special tip for you, follow this and your life will be full of blessings, happiness, positivity. You will achieve whatever you want in life. What is it? Do one act of kindness every day. And you don't have to go anywhere to do it. You don't have to donate money. Just make one person smile. You can do it very easily. You can give a glass of water to your parents when they are tired, carry the notebooks of your teacher, lend your pen to your friend, or just smile and say, "Kaise ho bhaiya?" to the security guard or to your domestic help. Maybe you don't even look at them because you are so busy with your studies and maybe with your phone. Have you heard of the word karma? It's very easy to understand. If you do good, good things will happen to you, and if you do bad, bad things will happen to you. Whatever you do, it comes back. Now you will say, ma'am, this is for elders. Why are you telling me this? Whatever I told you in this video can be followed by elders too. And why would you wait to grow up to do good things? Start doing good things from now. Improve your karma and you will get blessings. You will have positivity in life and all good things will come back to you. Not only that, when you see the other person smiling and you know that person is smiling because of you, you will start liking yourself even more. And that is very important. See, whatever I told you in this video, you don't have to spend a lot of time to do all these. Do all these along with your studies and you will be future ready, that's for sure. Have a brilliant, radiant and a beaming future.